Hi guys, my name is Divine Bayora and please guys support my vlog guys kasi gusto ko lang mag-vlog para makatulong ako sa pamilya ko guys. Ilagay ko lang yung name ko sa YouTube channel kaya subscribe kaya and follow and share and like. Guys, gusto ko lang mag-vlog. Yung name ko is Divine Bayora and my grade 6. My section is Earth. Nakatira ko dito sa Davao City and my favorite color is pink and green. And gusto ko lang kasi mag-vlog guys. Please guys, support me guys. And guys, I'm Bisaya guys. Gusto ko lang mag-Tagalog kasi guys, sa vlog na to. Bye guys. Support my vlog guys.